Want to know how people grow their money? Want to get rich? Want to know how the rich stay rich? Well, if you do, then you're in the right place, because that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. And don't worry if you don't have any money to start. Watch our previous video to learn how to start making money from scratch. Welcome back to Lushplex, and here are 5 steps to grow your money. Step 1. Save for yourself. What some people do is that they spend most of the money they earn and then save what's left from it, which is absolutely wrong. What rich people do is that they plan their monthly budget according to their income. You can get started by following the 50-30-20 rule, which basically means to allocate 50% of your after-tax income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Use this rule as a baseline, and then adjust the allocations based on your circumstances. Remember that your goal should be to maximize your savings as much as possible. Step 2. Say no to debt. Unless it is extremely important for education, buying a house, or setting up a business, just say no to debt. Loans have a heavy impact on your savings and will mostly cost you double the amount in repayment because of interest. Most debts last for several years, and to avoid that, sometimes people have to make more debts, which hurts them even more financially. Step 3. Track your spendings. To increase your savings, you have to keep a record of all your monthly expenses. Figure out what you're actually spending the most money on, and identify the things that are worth cutting out. Just switching from Starbucks coffee to homemade coffee can save you around $1,000 a year. Step 4. Invest. Holding too much cash is not going to grow your wealth, as the value of money decreases due to inflation. Once you have some savings, start investing in different places. Divide your investments between short-term and long-term investments. Short-term investments include treasury bills, government bonds, high-yield savings accounts, and more, whereas long-term options include stocks, mutual funds, real estate, and cryptocurrency, to name a few. Figure out which options are better for your financial future. Successful investors have a balance of short-term and long-term investments in their portfolio. Keep track of your investments and decide what works for your financial goals. Remember to never put all your eggs in one basket, and switch your investments smartly. Step 5. Be consistent. Above all, you should be consistent with your efforts. It will take some time to grow your wealth in the beginning, but remember that consistency is the only thing that separates a rich mindset from a poor mindset. Let us know how you guys grow your money in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, subscribe to Lushplex.